Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am going to show you garam masala. Now this recipe of garam masala is one of our friend. His name is Vineet, and he was discussing one day with us when we met him that how tasty the curry and whatever his mother makes, and the garam masala what she has got it from her ancestor is very tasty, aromatic and lovely. So then I requested him, and I requested his mother too, and got this recipe. It's like a treasure, somebody sharing your recipes. And so I'm thankful to Vineet and his mother for this recipe of garam masala. So here are the ingredients, very few ingredients, and kindly note that we have to roast these separately, each one. Okay, so please note down. So we have around 3 4 5 6 7 8 Kashmiri chilies, or you can use any chilies which is available. If not, then you can add Kashmiri chili powder to this, but later I will tell you. Then we need around 25 peppercorn, that is around like 1 small teaspoon, but in numbers it is 25 numbers of this peppercorn. Then we need only this much of cinnamon sticks, only this much. Okay, so it's like maybe half inch. I've made it into small pieces. Then we need the nut mace. Okay, this much, like around 1 flower, and this. Okay, so this is nut mace. Then we need this star anise 2, and we need this 3 tablespoon. I've taken this size of coriander seeds, and I've taken this size of 1 teaspoon of this size of this fennel, that is soft. So the only thing you have to understand, these are the few ingredients, and you will get it around 8 to 10 tablespoon of the masala. Okay, so you have to roast it, not burn it, but roast it, so that any excess moisture is there will just go out of it, and never over roast it, otherwise it will turn to bitter, so the taste goes. So let's roast it one by one together. So let's start roasting first of our chilies on slow fire, and we will roast this chilies. So it's around this garam masala of Vineet's mother is around like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ingredients, but different people have got different ways of making garam masala. So this is one of this. And this garam masala can be used to make curries or to give flavor to your vegetables. You can make vegetable curry also. So how you want to use, it's up to you. But always keep ready in your kitchen, because garam masala we always use. This has to be like, crispy, this chilies. Now if you are using the other chilies which are spicy, then reduce your numbers of peppercorn, otherwise it will become spicier garam masala. So this is now roasted. So I will take this take this out. Now we will do this star anise. So now this is done. So we will now do our next spice, that is nut mace. And this is the speciality, that roasting these all separately of this masala. And if you want to make it in more quantity, then please double the amount whatever I have shown over here. You have to double the amount. Vinit and his mother is from South Goa. I am very grateful and thankful. I have my other way of garam masala. I will show you that also one day. But I like this one because I tried, I tasted it, and it was very nice and very simple for people who don't want to get lot of ingredients and all this thing. And these are the things which are easily available in our cabin, kitchen cabin. So this is also done. Now we will do our peppercorns. They are 25 in numbers. You can take a smaller pan. I have less utensils here in Bangalore because in Goa I have all over there. But you can take the smaller pan to roast all this. Nice aroma. I like pepper. So this is also done. And now we will do with our cinnamon. So here it is. This is also roasted nicely. Now we will do our fennel. It is soft. Can you see the pepper and the cinnamon has left some oil? That's why actually they say roasting separately is better. So this is also done. Yes, it is roasted because I can get the aroma. And then we have to cool down this and then grind it, okay? And last of ours is this coriander. And later the pan is so hot, so this roasting, it will roast very fast actually. Here it is already, I can just press like this and it is becoming like this, tick, it becoming like this. So it's almost done. And always you will get the aroma once it is roasted. So this is also done. So let it get cooled down and then we will grind it to a fine powder, and the grinder should be dry blade, okay? So now let's add this to our grinder. Okay, and we'll grind this. So let's start. Wow. So I will make it a little bit more. I will grind this little bit more. Done. Okay, so now here it comes a homemade garam masala powder, and it's very aromatic, and I will use it, so you can also use this and enjoy this. Thank you so much.